Hi everyone. Pray that you're all fine. Today we will learn how to fix Apple unavailable. So without further delay, let's start that. First, put phone info mod and connect it to PC. In PC, download 3utool and it'll show you ipsw for your phone. Just download it. Back now, click on Pro Flash and let it flash. In this, don't disconnect your phone. Also, first time connect phone info mod, then let it done. It'll reboot your device as it have to be. It'll be back after that. Okay, here we are. Our iPhone is now in normal mod. Be careful, all your data in device will be lost except that on iCloud. Thanks for your time. Love you all. God bless you. Amen.